Good morning, level 1. I hope you all are good. Level 1 in today's English language unit, we are going to continue our work from our chapter Wonderful Water. So, take out your English language learners book level 1 and open page number 116 in your book. Write today's date on the top of the page. Page number 116 in your learner's book. Now level 1 in today's activity, in today's unit, we are going to read a story, the song of the Toad or the story of a Toad. Who is Toad? Toad is the family member of frog. It comes out in a dry weather. Okay, so before you read, here are the characters in the play: rooster, tiger, bees, toad, purple guards, emperor, and green guards. These all are the characters of the story. Okay, now we are going to read the song of the toad. Read after me. Put your fingers level 1. The mud is dry, there is no food to eat. We need water, the river is dry. There is no water to drink. We need water. The flowers are dry. We need flowers to live. We need water. Let's go to the emperor in the clouds. Let's ask the emperor for rain. Okay, level 1. There is I think so there is a deserted area and these all are living there, but the mud is very dry. There is no food to eat. There is no water to drink. The river is dry, the flowers are dry. They need water to drink, and flowers also need water. The river also needs water. Everything needs water to live. Then they decided to go to the emperor in the clouds to ask the emperor for rain, so that they emperor provide them water, and they can drink it, and the flowers can also live, and the river can also be filled from the rain or the water. Now coming towards on the next page, on page number 117. Hello, I need to see the emperor, the toad said. No, these are the green guards, as we already read it. No, you are a toad. A toad can't see the emperor. Go away. Toad said. Come, bees. Come, rooster. Make the guards go away. Now the toad called the bees and the rooster for the help to make the guards go away. Then the bees came and they said buzz buzz. The sound of the bees are like that. They are trying to tease the green guard so that they can go. Then the rooster said cock-a-doodle doo. He is also trying to tease the green guards so that they allow them to meet the emperor. Then the green guard said, help, help. Toad said, hello emperor, I need to talk to you. Emperor came and said, what? Green guards, come, there is a toad on my lap. Toad said, come tiger, make the guards go away. Then the tiger came and said, roar. And the green guard said, help, help. Then the toad said, emperor, the earth is dry, the plants and animals need water, please send us rain. Emperor said, okay, I can do that. I can send you rain. And then look into the picture level 1. The emperor sending the rain to the mud, to the dry mud, so that plants and animals take water and flowers also take water. Okay. Now, your page, we are on page number 118. Now, it's raining. Hooray for the rain. Thank you, Emperor. The next time we need rain, I will come again. No, don't come back, Green God said, as he is afraid from the rooster and the bees. Please don't come back. Toad, you can sing when you need rain. When I hear your song, I will send the rain. Toad said, thank you, Emperor. So now, when farmers hear the song of the toad, they are happy. They know that rain will come soon. Okay, level 1. This is a very interesting story of the song of the toad. Okay, now, level 1, we are on page number 119. There is an activity for us related to the story. Question is, choose the right answer. Where does the emperor live? Emperor lives in the clouds. So we are going to take here like this. Then the second question is, what does Toad ask the emperor to do? Toad asked the emperor to send rain. Okay. Third question is, does the emperor send the rain? Yes, he does. Fourth question is, how do the animals feel when they see the rain? They are happy.